Holden. Look at those little feet down there. Not quite touching. You smile? Sister.
I want one of these. I could sleep in this.
You see?
Yeah, you just be like, I'm bouncing. See, babies have everything, and they don't even like them. I mean, they don't even know they have these cool things. It's not fair. They don't even know they're enjoying this.
Careful, don't do it too much. Anna, honey, his neck.
He's holding on to the thingy.
Hi, buddy. Hey.
Choo, choo, choo.
How you doing? Is that so fun? She's got too much to look at, huh? Yeah?
Is he looking at the camera or the frog?
He's got all these things to look at.
Pew.